In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up old uncleared transactions in QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone, and welcome. Keeping your books tidy is essential for accurate reporting and stress-free reconciliations. Today, we'll focus on clearing out those lingering uncleared items so your bank and credit card registers reflect what truly belongs to the current period. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your company account. Use your secure credentials and make sure you have the right access to edit transactions in the register. Once you're in, you'll be working within the reconciliation tools to identify what needs attention. From the left menu, click All Apps. Under Accounting, click Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation area where you'll make your cleanup decisions. If your layout looks a little different, you're still aiming for the Reconcile option within Accounting. Next, select the bank or credit card account you want to clean up. Choose the account that has those old uncleared items causing your balances to look off. When you're ready, click Start Reconciling. This opens a list of transactions associated with the account, organized by date and status. Now, review the list carefully and look for old uncleared transactions that no longer belong to the current period. These might be duplicates, entries posted to the wrong account, or items that should have cleared a prior statement. Pay attention to dates, payees, and amounts, and compare them to your bank or card statements to confirm what truly happened. If a transaction shouldn't be sitting as uncleared, click the transaction and choose Edit. From there, change the status from uncleared to cleared when the item actually did clear in a previous period. If you determine the transaction is incorrect or duplicated, delete the transaction. Only delete when you're certain it's not valid. If needed, add a memo before making changes so you or your accountant can see why the adjustment was made. Work through the list methodically, applying the same approach until only valid, current transactions remain uncleared. The goal is to leave the register with an accurate picture of what still needs to clear in the present period, while removing outdated or mistaken entries that throw off your reconciliation. Once you're finished, click Finish Now or Done to exit reconciliation. You've cleaned up the noise, set the stage for a smoother month end, and made your next reconciliation more accurate and much faster. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.